Hello guys, this is another free tool. And in this tool, you can simply start by hitting the Fill Example button. And when you click that, this left side value should be populated with the specific samples. And on the right side, you can see the graph. And here, it shows that you are in a healthy condition because the CAC to LTV ratio is around 4:1. The CAC is calculated by these values and LTV is what you have put here. But if you want to calculate LTV, you can click over this button and it will create a new tool where you can generate lifetime value and you can put that over here. And here you have to input that manually. It is also supporting multiple currencies. For example, for Indian rupees or the British pound, anything that is supported here. And this shows you above of the for each month of what the cumulative profit you get here. By 3.3 months, that is at this point, you will be able to pay back the customer acquisition costs. To calculate that, simply divide 50 divided by 15, you get around 3.3. That is at this point. And after that, as you can see the related point, it is more than customer acquisition cost. So it is better. And for LTV, as you can see, you're getting around $195 cumulative profit. That is awesome. And here you can also calculate things for different channels. You click the reset button, you can see what this input field means. For example, let's say hit the pushover button. For Google Ads, you are spending in that period 2,000 was spent and you got 40 customers. Customer acquisition cost for this is around $50 pesos. For Meta ads, it is like 1,000 divided by 10, that is $100. For organic or SEO, it is 0, so this one is the best one. And therefore, you should promote this organic or SEO method nonetheless. Here your CAC is calculated, around $60. And this is the blended CAC, that is all spend divided by all new customers. And here it is only same. We have do. Here, same lifetime value is input. And here you can see a beautiful chart. And if you don't understand, simply get to the documentation. Here are the formulas. We can give a nice
By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects, using AI, which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.